turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the diesel filter located on the upper left of the battery. To remove the diesel filter, we advise removing the battery. For this, watch the tutorial changing the battery on the Punto 2 diesel. Start by removing the connector located on the diesel filter by pushing down on the metal bar, then pulling upwards. Be sure to install enough paper towels under the filter to collect the diesel that will flow out when you unscrew the filter. Take an oil collector and unscrew the diesel filter by hand. Now remove it. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Now you can unscrew the water pressure sensor on the old filter. And then remove the O-ring with a flathead screwdriver. Now unscrew the plastic cover on the new filter and collect the O-ring that you will install on the water pressure sensor. Remember to lightly oil the O-ring on the filter. Now, screw the water pressure sensor onto the new filter. Since your vehicle is not equipped with a primer pump, it is vital to pre-fill the filter before starting your car. Take a container filter with oil and fill the filter. You can now screw in the new filter. Remove the paper towel. And finish by reconnecting the water pressure sensor. Operation completed.